In this video we are going to use RSI Classic with 5-second expiry time with pocket option auto trader, and we're also going to take $700 trades. So if you find that interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, this binary option robot is completely for free and you can have it. You find link about the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. Works both on cell phone and on desktop. So now let's start up and let's see how we do. Now let's start up the bot. What he's doing now, he's starting to collect all the information he needs from the chart. Afterwards he collects the information from the indicator using. As it's a RSI, it's not so much information, so go very fast. So you see the first trade did turn into a win. We have now one win, 100% win rate and $644 profit. Now as the trade go against us, he's now going with a sell trade as we have chosen that we are using opposite direction if we're losing a trade. So we have now 2 wins, 1 loss. We have a 67% win rate and 1,360. We have put a profit target of 2,100. That means the bot will keep running till we reach the target. You can see now we have a cooldown. That's something I put as a security measure. So when a trade is lost, he will take his time to just take a break before he starts looking for a new trade. So now we are at 75% win rate. We have 3 wins, 1 loss, and we have $2,000 profit. So we will need 1 more winner and we are done. So this one was a loss. He will then take our opposite direction. You see that was correct. Going quite good there now. And there we got it. 4 wins, 2 losses, $2,721 profit and 67% win rate. So once again, if you found this type of videos interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you don't lose a video just like this one. And like I said, this binary option robot is completely for free. You will find a link about X and link below the video at YouTube. So with that, have an amazing day and I'll see you on the next video.